Ever wondered how dropshipping works or how to start it? Well, let's dive right in. Dropshipping is a unique retail fulfillment method that allows you to sell products without ever needing to stock them. Yes, you heard that right. No warehouse, no inventory, just pure selling. The magic happens when a customer buys a product from your store. You then purchase that item from a third party, typically a wholesaler or manufacturer who ships it directly to your customer. It's like being a conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the elements without playing an instrument yourself. This business model essentially turns you into a retail maestro, letting you focus on marketing and customer service without the hassle of inventory management. You earn your profits from the difference between the wholesale price you pay to the supplier and the retail price you charge your customer. In essence, the retailer is a middleman, making a profit on the difference between the wholesale and retail price. So, why would anyone want to dropship? Well, there are a multitude of reasons. One of the primary advantages of dropshipping is its low startup costs. You see, traditional retail involves buying stock, storing it, and then selling it. But with dropshipping, you don't need to purchase inventory up front, which significantly lowers your initial investment. Dropshipping also offers a wide product offering. You're not limited by storage space or the cost of inventory, so you can offer a plethora of products to your customers. That's right, you can sell anything from kitchen gadgets to fashion accessories, all under one virtual roof. One of the most significant benefits, however, is the reduced risk. As you don't have to store or handle the products physically, you avoid the risks associated with unsold inventory and warehousing issues. This business model allows entrepreneurs to focus on what they do best: marketing and selling products. Now let's delve into how to start a dropshipping business. Embarking on this journey is like exploring a new frontier. It's exciting, challenging, and filled with potential. The first step is identifying a niche. You want to find a product category that you are passionate about and that has a market. Think about what interests you, what you know, and where you see a gap in the market. Once you've found your niche, it's time to find a supplier. This is a crucial step, as your supplier will be responsible for the quality of the products you sell and their timely delivery. Do your research. Look for suppliers with good reviews, reliable delivery times, and high-quality products. Establish a relationship with them and make sure you're both on the same page regarding expectations and business practices. Next, you'll need to build an e-commerce website. This is your storefront, so it needs to look professional and be user-friendly. There are plenty of platforms out there that can help you set up a website, even if you're not a tech wizard. You'll want to include product descriptions, prices, and images, as well as information about your company and your shipping and return policies. Now, you're ready to create a customer acquisition strategy. This is where marketing comes in. You'll want to use social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and perhaps even pay-per-click advertising to draw customers to your site. Remember, it's not just about getting people to your site. You also want to convert them into customers and keep them coming back. Finally, once your business is up and running, it's essential to analyze and optimize. Look at your sales data, customer feedback, and website analytics to see where you're succeeding and where you could improve. This is a continuous process, as there's always room for improvement. These are the basic steps to launch a dropshipping business, but remember, the key to success lies in your marketing and customer service. Like any business, dropshipping also comes with its own set of challenges. First off, it's finding reliable suppliers. This is a critical aspect of your dropshipping journey. A dependable supplier is your business's backbone. They can either make or break your venture. You need to ensure that the supplier can deliver quality products on time and handle the logistical aspects efficiently. Next, we have the challenge of dealing with shipping and returns. As a dropshipper, you don't have direct control over the shipping process, and this can lead to complications, especially when a customer wants to return a product. You have to rely on your supplier's return policy, and if it's not favorable, your business reputation could be at risk. Thirdly, managing customer service is another hurdle. Since you're the front face of the business, all customer queries, complaints, and issues will come to you. And let's face it, dealing with disgruntled customers is no walk in the park. You'll need to have a solid system in place to handle these situations effectively. Lastly, handling a large product catalog can be overwhelming. The more products you have, the more suppliers you'll need to manage. Keeping track of inventory and ensuring all products are available can be a daunting task. Despite these challenges, with the right strategies and tools, dropshipping can be a profitable business model. To sum it all up, dropshipping is a business model where you act as a middleman between the consumer and the supplier. Instead of keeping products in stock, you purchase items from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The benefits of this model are numerous. It presents a low-risk entry into the world of e-commerce. You don't need to worry about upfront inventory costs, storage space, or unsold stock. It's a flexible business model that allows you to operate from anywhere with an internet connection, and you can offer a wide range of products without purchasing them in advance. Starting a dropshipping business involves a few key steps. First, you must choose a niche, ideally one you're passionate about and has a good market potential. Then, you'll need to find a reliable supplier, set up your e-commerce website, devise a customer acquisition strategy, and manage your customer relationships effectively. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges. Competition can be stiff, and profit margins are often lower than traditional retail models. Supplier errors could also potentially harm your reputation, and shipping complexities might arise. Dropshipping is indeed a fascinating business model that may be the perfect fit for aspiring entrepreneurs who are keen on embracing the digital market. Remember, success in dropshipping, like any other business, requires patience, resilience, and constant learning.